Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Slaybyciara. So today I'm coming to you guys with a wig install slash review video. So if you do want to see how I installed this lovely wig here, then continue to watch this video. Okay, so to start off with, the company that the wig I will be installing from is from Wiglogic. So they do provide a little cute wig cap, and these are the braids. I didn't even blow dry my hair today, I just braided it. So first I'm putting my wig cap on, but not all the way, because I want to gel down my edges, any loose flyaways or whatnot. So I'm taking out this cute little got to be glued, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that over my edges just to make sure, like I said, that there's no flyaways and that everything is like pushed completely back. So once I have that done, now I'm gonna place on my cap, and I'm just gonna situate it. It was kind of fitting awkward at first. So next I'm gonna go ahead and cut a hole out around my ear. So this is so that the cap can lay nice and flat on both sides. So you want to make sure you do it on both sides, and it's okay if you get a little rip or whatnot in your cap. Like, that part's literally not gonna matter. So once I have my ears through the little holes, we're gonna go ahead and with the gel again, and we're gonna place this emulating my hairline or whatnot. So yeah, just go ahead and place that all over your hairline. This is going to hold the cap in place, and this is how you gotta get that balding like cap effect, to make sure that all your edges and whatnot are protected from the glue. Now I'm just going in with the freeze spray from Got To Be Glued as well, and this is just for extra holds. And once I have that all sprayed on, I'm just going to take my blow dryer and dry everything using a cool temperature. So remember, when you're using any type of gel or glue product, you always want to dry it on a cool temperature, because it's not going to dry on a high heat. So after that is all dry, I'm next going in with my shears, and we're just going to cut the excess cap off. And as I am doing this, you'll see me kind of going over the edges that are still sticking up with the Got To Be glue. So I'm kind of cutting and gelling down the edges of the cap as well. So I'm doing that right there. So yeah, I'm just cutting and gelling down everything all at once, so I don't have to like do two steps, if that makes sense. So yeah, just follow your hairline and how you place the gel on your cap, and cut off anything excess, and just gel down any of the edges that are flapping up. And then once you've done all that, you're gonna go back in and dry it again. Okay, so I have my cap all gelled down, it's dried, and it's not going nowhere. So next I'm gonna go in with my alcohol, and we're gonna go ahead and cleanse off any of the excess gel to make sure that the space that we're gonna be applying glue to is nice and clean and doesn't have any products on it. Now I'm adding my powder to my cap. Now you could do this step before you clean your forehead off, which probably would be smarter, but I wasn't thinking. But hey, it is what it is. So I'm just taking the powder and I'm placing it all over the front of the cap. And now here I'll be showing you guys the wig. So again, this wig is from Wiglogic. It's a full lace wig, and the roots are dyed, and it does come with a comb in the back, and it also has the elastic band on it. I didn't show you guys. Like, it has the adjustable clips, but it also has the elastic band as well. So another way to secure, especially the back of your head. So now I'm placing it on. But look, guys, look how like seamless it looks already. Like, the lace just fits me so perfectly. So I was so happy about that I didn't have to bleach the knots. Like, it just already blended in with my skin tone very well. So now I'm just going ahead and marking off where my hairline is going to be for this wig. Now I do have a very large forehead, so I could have cut off a lot of the front of the wig, but I chose not to do that. But now I'm going in with the glue. So the glue that I'm using is the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm kind of just following the white line that I drew out already with where I'm placing the glue. So as you see, that the way my hairline is, it comes down so far on the sides that I don't have a lot of space. So I'm going to be putting the glue over the cap, which is okay. That's what the cap is for, to protect your edges so that it's not going directly onto my hair, it's just going onto the cap. So just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. Like up top, I have so much space up there, and that's where I was saying like I could have cut off some of the cap, but I didn't want to because frontals do bald, so I want to have more space to work with eventually once the frontals do start balding. But I am just taking the alcohol and cleaning off that white line because I don't want it there after I have put my cap on. And now I'm adding just in another layer of the glue. You can do up to 5 layers, I believe. I only did 2. So it's up to you as many layers as you want to do. So then again, I'm going to go ahead and dry it with cold temperature and wait till everything gets clear. You want to make sure that your glue is clear before you place your wig. And now I'm just literally placing the wig down, following my hairline, and it should stick right on there. So now I'm just taking like a small brush and I'm patting down my hairline and drying it with the cool temperature of the blow dryer as well, just to kind of lock it in some more. So I'm just gonna do that all the way around my entire like hairline to lock everything in. And then once I have that all done, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it down. So this is gonna like secure it even more. So I let it sit for probably like 10 or 15 minutes or whatever, and now I'm taking it off. And once I take it off, I'm gonna make sure everything's on there pretty good, and it is. And now I'm just going back in with powder that matches my exact skin tone, and we're just gonna go over the hairline just a little bit. And these are also lashes from the company Wiglogic that they have, so I'm kind of giving you guys a little lash tutorial as well. To see how I apply my lashes. So as you saw, I set the lashes in the middle first, and then you place the outside and then the inside. So again, set them right in the middle, get them on there. Doesn't have to be perfect. You go in and we're going to place either the front of your lashes or the outside, whichever way you want, but kind of do it in sections. But yeah, these are the lashes from the company as well. So now I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this wig. So the wig is from this company called Wiglogic, and this was a full lace wig. They actually dyed this hair. So I'm believing it was a 613 wig, and then they dyed the roots like a burgundy color and kind of bleached it to like this ash blondish grayish color that we have going on, but I really like it. I'm in love with it. I definitely would recommend their wigs because like it's sitting on my head perfectly. Like I didn't even have to bleach the knots, you guys, so that was another good thing. And it like blends in like perfectly with the scalp, yeah, feel me? So that was definitely a really good thing that I didn't have to bleach knots, because I don't like bleaching knots. I just be too lazy to do it. So yeah, the lace color definitely was perfect for my skin tone. But anyways, that's pretty much it about this wig. If you want more details about it, the link will be listed below. So yes, again, this wig is from Wiglogic. So definitely you can check them out on Instagram as well. They have a lot of wigs displayed there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. I do hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video, and thanks again for watching.